So I wouldn't be surprised if the battery's so cold that it just doesn't want to start. Raise the temperature of the battery like 20-30 degrees. I don't need to boil it. All right.
Oh, you gotta do the engine now.
Yeah. I'm gonna try to warm up the engine block and see if that helps. Fortunately, the engine block is way back.
Ah,
There you go. Woohoo! This is living in Alaska in a nutshell. Stuff goes wrong, things break, and you just gotta deal with it.